and welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. It is Friday, it is date night. I am sitting down to record before I do my hair, before I do my makeup, which is why my hair is wet right now. But I have a haul for you. So specifically this haul is for a friend swap or friend mail or whatever you want to call that I am doing here on YouTube with one of my YouTube family peoples. Is that a good way to say that? I don't know. Sounds like a good enough way to say that to me. I did want to show all of you guys the things, well, just a couple of the things that I got for her. These are specifically hauls from Ulta and Sephora that I bought specifically for her to go into this friend swap. So the first thing I have here is an Ulta order. Weird, right? I have never seen an Ulta order. Oops, I'm not just showing my address all over the place. I have never seen an Ulta order come in a mailer bag like this, ever. But whatever, right? So the first thing I got for her is a ColourPop California Love palette, and I will show you guys the colors. Of course, I'm not going to stick my fingers in them because they are for a friend, but I did want to share with you guys. So this is what the palette looks like. Isn't that pretty? And the next thing I am pulling out is a ColourPop Luxe lipstick in the color Uno Mas, and I'm not going to pull it out of here because it is sealed. I don't want to ruin it or anything like that, but it is just a pretty neutral color. And then the next thing I got for her was an NYX Butter Gloss in a pinky nude color. I thought that she would like this. Now, this next item, I have to be honest, I'm not sure if I'm gonna give it to her or keep it myself. Kind of went back and forth on it. I'm still going back and forth on it. I'll figure it out once I pack up her box. But this is the NYX Bear With Me, and it is a lip conditioner. It's a cannabis lip conditioner. So I still haven't made the decision if I want to keep this and try it for myself or I just want to give it to her. Still totally up in the air about it. And then I already did open the box, but Sephora box. And the things I got for her from Sephora was I got this Kat Von D holographic highlighter palette. I own this palette and I enjoy it. And I thought that I would just add something in this swap that I actually own and that I actually enjoy. But this is what that looks like. Obviously, I'm not going to swatch it. Don't want to stick my fingers in it, but that is what that looks like. And then the next thing I got for her was this Natasha Denona mini palette in, it says mini gold. And the colors are just really pretty. You can see them here, so I'm not going to take it out, but they're just really pretty nudes, golds, greens. I don't know, I just thought it would be super nice for that pop of color. It's like, it's a nude palette, but it's a little bit outside of her comfort zone, outside of the nude with the green. So I don't know. And I've heard so many good things about the Natasha Denona shadows. I personally don't own any, but when I saw this, I thought that she would just really like these colors. So there is that. And then I also specifically, when I was picking my sample size, I specifically picked this to give to her because I own the full size of this and I absolutely love this skincare product. So I picked this sample specifically for her because I wanted her to try it to see if she likes it. It's good for one use, and I just thought that, I don't know, again, I wanted to give her something that I love, but the full size of this is like $95. So I did just get her the sample size just in case she doesn't like it. You know what I mean? I don't want to spend $95 on something she may not even like. So I did want to give her the sample size, and then also the Atelier cologne in, I'm not sure, Pacific Lime is the scent on this one. And I'm also going to pass that along to her. I think that it is a nice scent. So that is kind of that's my most recent haul, and that's what I am passing along to my friend here on YouTube. I hope she enjoys this stuff. I am going to put other stuff in the box, you know, like I have a candle that I want to put in there and some face masks and stuff like that. So I'm going to make sure the box is stacked full of goodies for her. But these things are things that I specifically bought for her in mind. So that's all I have for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, this haul, and oh yeah, if you guys can see back there, well, you'll see this way after. Anyway, I've got my date night shoes and my date night purse out. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I will see you next time. Bye.